Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Egyptian toys is probably one of the most fascinating and historically rich categories of playthings you can explore, offering a unique window into ancient civilizations and their ingenuity. These aren't just simple playthings, they are artifacts that whisper tales of pharaohs, gods, and everyday life along the Nile thousands of years ago, crafted with materials and designs that have captivated imaginations for millennia. Imagine holding a piece of history in your hands, a tangible connection to a world so different yet so fundamentally human in its desire for fun and learning through play. This collection represents a journey back in time, celebrating the enduring legacy of Egyptian culture through the lens of childhood. Number 5. Morph Adult King Neptune Trident. Command the ocean depths with this majestic trident. Perfect for any mythical costume, it's the ultimate accessory for your aquatic adventures. Embrace the power of Neptune himself. This impressive prop will make you the undisputed ruler of your costume party. Feel the might of the sea god with this detailed trident. Its imposing design is sure to make a splash at any event. No Sea King costume is complete without this iconic trident. It's the essential piece to bring your legendary character to life. Elevate your costume with this striking devil's pitchfork. It's a versatile prop that adds a touch of the extraordinary to any outfit. With this staff accessory, you'll embody the power and majesty of the ocean. It's designed for those who dare to command. What we like? This accessory is perfect for completing a mythical or villainous costume. If you're looking to add a dramatic flair to your Halloween or cosplay outfit, this is a great choice. Its lightweight design ensures comfort for extended wear at parties or events. What people say? The toy is made of high-quality, durable plastic that can withstand rough play. The intricate details and vibrant colors make this toy visually appealing and engaging for children. It features several interactive elements, such as moving parts and sound effects, that enhance the play experience. Number 4. Thames and Kosmos I Dig It Egyptian Artifacts Excavation Kit. Step into the shoes of a skilled archaeologist. Carefully excavate a plaster block to unearth ancient Egyptian relics and minerals. What will you find inside? Uncover replica artifacts like semi-precious stones, canopic jars, and a golden sarcophagus. You'll also solve a hieroglyphic puzzle to reveal a burial site. A full-color manual will guide your excavation. Learn how real archaeologists work and discover the history of hieroglyphics and ancient Egyptian burial practices. This kit includes quality tools for a successful dig. You'll get a hammer, a metal-tipped chisel, and a sponge. Enjoy a fun and safe afternoon activity with our unique, dust-free excavation process. It's an educational experience for everyone. What we like? Uncover the secrets of ancient Egypt with this hands-on excavation kit. If you have a budding archaeologist or a child fascinated by history, this offers a fun and educational way to learn. It's ideal for curious minds who enjoy discovery and collecting unique artifacts. What people say? The product is very detailed and accurate to the real thing. The design is intricate and well executed, capturing the essence of Egyptian art. The functionality is impressive, with moving parts that add to the playability. Number 3. Morph Spartan Spear Viking Roman Armor Spear. Step into history with this authentic-looking spear. Perfect for costumes and props, it brings legendary figures to life. Embrace the spirit of the Vikings with this meticulously crafted weapon prop. It's designed to add a powerful presence to any ensemble. Equip yourself like a true Roman soldier. This spear is an ideal accessory for historical reenactments and themed events. Elevate your costume with this striking spear. It's a versatile prop that captures the essence of ancient warriors. Feel the might of a Spartan or the discipline of a Roman legionary. This prop weapon is built for impact and display. This isn't just a prop, it's a statement piece. Add it to your collection or use it to complete your historical look. What we like? Enhance your historical or fantasy costume with this realistic-looking spear prop. If you are dressing up as a Spartan, Viking, or Roman soldier, this accessory adds authenticity. It's designed for costume use, ensuring it's safe for events and play. What people say? The design is very cute and the material is soft and cuddly. It's a great size for little hands to hold and play with. The stitching is strong and it seems very durable. Number 2. BEEMAI's Senet Egyptian board game. Immerse yourself in the world of ancient Egypt with this captivating board game. Known as the Game of the Pharaohs, it offers a fascinating blend of strategy and chance, perfect for history enthusiasts. Test your wit and tactics in this game of strategy and luck. It challenges you and an opponent to outmaneuver each other, fostering critical thinking in a fun, interactive way. This game is thoughtfully designed with a durable solid wood board and beautifully carved playing pieces. It's the perfect addition to game nights for history lovers. Looking for a game for two? This board game is a standout choice for history lovers and collectors. Its historical significance makes it a thoughtful present for any special occasion. We have been uniting people through beautifully crafted board games since 1977. Our games are designed with a focus on quality and tradition, ensuring they can be cherished for years to come. What we like? Step back in time with this beautifully crafted Senet board game. If you appreciate history and enjoy strategic two-player games, this is an excellent addition to your collection. It's perfect for game nights with friends or as a unique gift for history buffs. What people say. The product is well made and durable. The design is very appealing and attractive. It functions exactly as described and is easy to use. Number 1. BEEMAI AARU Garden Ancient Egypt Mythology Series. Step into the world of ancient Egypt with this captivating collection. Explore mythical figures brought to life in exquisite detail. This series features 5 regular figures and 4 special hidden editions, including a super hidden Anubis. Can you collect them all? Each charming figure stands about 3.15 inches tall. They are meticulously hand-painted, showcasing incredible attention to detail. Ideal for ages 15 and up, these make wonderful gifts. They are perfect for decorating your home, car, or office space. Each box contains a randomly selected figure, adding an element of surprise to your collection. You might even find a rare hidden edition. Crafted from safe, non-toxic PVC material, these figures are built to last. Enjoy their vibrant colors and smooth, high-quality finish. What we like? Discover cute, collectible figures inspired by Egyptian mythology. If you love surprises and enjoy decorating your space with unique ornaments, this series is for you. It's a fun way to collect rare hidden editions and display your appreciation for ancient deities. What people say. The design is very cute and the material is soft and safe for babies. It is very easy to clean and durable, withstanding frequent washing. The toy has multiple textures and sounds that engage the baby's senses. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.